How to delete all followers at once on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete all of your TikTok followers at once. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, you're just going to head over to your profile section right here, and here you will see a list of your following and your followers. So all you need to do is tap on followers, and if you have a lot of followers that you want to delete, you can just go ahead and tap on the three lines and then tap on remove these followers like this. Remove, you can just tap on this one and then remove it as well. And if you want to, if you have multiple followers and want to remove all of them at once, there is no separate option to remove followers. But what you can do is try to contact TikTok's help and support. For that, head over to settings and then report a problem. And once you have done that, you can just scroll down. If you find account and profile, you can tap on it, tap on manage account, and here might be some related articles that you can read, but if you don't find it here, scroll down all the way and tap on submit a report. Now you're simply type in that you want to remove all of your followers at once, and TikTok's help and support team will assist you and contact you within a few business days. You just have to follow the instructions and act accordingly, and then your problem should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'll see you guys on the next one.